This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? This is Series EV. It's yet another Chinese car. And in this video, we're going to check how much space we have. But you know, what is unique about this Series is that it cost only 400,000 NOK in Norway. All inclusive with all the goodies in here. Header display, massage, ventilated seats. And also it has all-wheel drive, 585 horsepower, 940 newton meter of torque, does 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds. It has 1,500 kilogram of towing capacity. It's a bargain. No other car that has all these specs, all these nice features can match this Series 5 in price. But then we need to know how much space do we have. It seems to be a relatively spacious car, similar to a Model Y or an ID4, right? But it's called Series 5 EV. So it seems like there is a fossil version, which means that it might not be optimized for space and wheelbase. So can it match the other pure EVs in space? Let's find out. This car actually has a frunk. All right, so we just pop the hood here, double tap. And then I prepared a banana box. What the heck is that shit? So the car detects that the hood is... Isabel doesn't like the noise. The car detects that the hood is open, but then because I moved in the front here, yeah, she doesn't like it here. And then the car locks and then honks at me. And it happens every time. Wait, which car was it again that tends to honk at you? It was the MG ZS EV. Also some of the, there are other cars. That is super annoying. They need to fix this shit. Minus points. So what we can do is, you do this. Keep the door like this. And then it should not honk at me. Okay, now let's proceed. So here we actually have a quite spacious front. Wow. We could put charging cables here. Yeah, Isabel, yes, interesting car. All right. So I need to take the cables and everything out now because I'm going to try to fit a banana box there. Well, you want to fit in there? Oh, you want to sit in there. Okay, I forgot. But then how much weight does it handle? Well, Isabel is 12 kilograms and you see that she'll fit here just fine. No problemo. This car is perfect for kidnapping. Nobody's going to know that there's a kid in here. Okay, you want to get out? All right. Okay, there you go. You can go play now, Isabel. Yeah. So, one thing I noticed is that the front here is freaking huge. Yeah, I bet that there's a placeholder here for a fossil engine. Maybe some plug-in hybrid. So quite long hood. That doesn't look good for the rest of the car space, right? But it will actually fit one banana box there. And it will close. So yes, good one there. And in the back, it has a quite stylish back here. I like it. Except for that... the unlocking sensor is just going crazy if I'm just standing here. Okay, now it calmed down a bit. Okay, that's good. Well, yeah, so now we're looking for a kick sensor. Does it have that kind of premium luxury features? No? Okay. And then where do you open it? It's here. Okay. Just have it on the weird spot. At least it doesn't get smutsig. That's plus point for it. And then, well, we have a fairly spacious trunk. Let me see. Take out the parcel shelf here, like this. But here's the weird thing about this car, which is that the 12-volt battery is here somewhere. And then they supposedly put the onboard charger under the trunk here. And that means that this space cannot be opened up. That is weird. Why didn't they put it in the front? There's a freaking huge hood here. You see? It is long. There should be plenty of space to put more electronics there. But they say that they want to put it here to cover it, or shield it away from moisture that could lead to rust or any condensation or whatever, right? Corrosion. I'm not really buying it, but okay. That means that we don't have that much space. And can we even recline the seats? So we test, but at least we have light there, and then the 12-volt outlet there, and then light there. But no securing hooks for cargo. No, we don't do that in China. See, there's a handler for the seats. Nope, it seems to be only one position. There's Axel. Yo, what's up? He's 11 months old now. Well, actually 11 and a half. He's about to walk anytime soon now. That means hell's gonna break loose. Oh shit! Okay, in the first test, I couldn't fit that many banana boxes as expected, but it was surprisingly spacious. Let me show you. Okay. Yeah, I couldn't fit 2 here because of the trunk opening, but at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, huh? Not too bad. If we can open up this, we could probably fit 2 more. So this is quite spacious. Actually the same as the Porsche Macan. Wait. So maybe because they made it look like a Porsche. Look in the back here. Huh? Doesn't that resemble a Porsche? Wait, let me see. Get some lights on. There. Huh? Nice. It's like, this is the poor man's Porsche. All right, as usual, I tried to pack as many boxes as possible in here. I noticed that the car is quite wide. That helps for the space. But yeah, in here, yeah, these door handles, we could fit okay space, yeah, okay banana boxes there. And we have glass roof, quite big glass roof, so we managed to fit, oh, okay, barely legal, that white box there, but that's fine. And it has a slight sloping back end, so that steals some space. Okay, as usual, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21, 22, that's it. 22 boxes is not a lot. MEB cars like ID4, ID5, Skoda Enyaq, they can take 24, 25 boxes. Tesla Model Y can take 26 boxes. Xpeng G6 can take 27 boxes. So this comes right on par with, again, Porsche Macan, 22 boxes. This is actually exactly the same. So you see when you close this and look at the car, it's the poor man's Porsche Macan. Okay, anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.